2021 Volkswagen Atlas with something loose in the suspension. Well, somehow I was able to do it with this kind of a braking bar from here. I mean, it's kind of a pain, but it's possible. So I've done it. I did jack up the ball joint and measured the size of a car resting on the wheels before and after. Tightened up. What else is here? Well, need to work with this. Oh, found this thing. Well, I don't know if they missed something else. But I guess I'm gonna put the bolt in here. And well, how did they torque this thing? Man, I'm not a big fan of doing something after somebody else did it. And guess what? I swapped the wheel, the front wheel, to the back because this wheel is not straight. Well, like that it actually looks good, but it's a different brand tire. It's the same size, it's just different, and I don't like to have a different tires on the axle that I'm trying to work with. I mean, whatever. So, alright, thank you.